Welcome to Healtharium's instructional HELIO video. Creating a new portfolio. After downloading HELIO, click Create a Portfolio. Here you will create a 4-digit PIN number. Then click Continue. A set of 12 words will then be displayed. Please write them down. 2 random words will be selected and must be entered in proper order. Please store the 12 seed words in a safe location. They will be needed to restore a portfolio. After entering the 2 words, you will be prompted to agree with the terms and conditions and agree you are at least 18 years old. You have now created a portfolio. In case you forget your PIN or need to restore your HELIO, this section will demonstrate the process of recovering a portfolio. Click on Portfolio Restore phrase and enter the 12 original C words in order. You will now enter a new 4-digit PIN number. You have now restored the original portfolio. Thank you.